Hi everyone! In this video, we'll do a breathing exercise. This is called the three-part breath. And basically, the three-part breath is activating or bringing the awareness to the three diaphragms in our body. So we have a pelvic diaphragm here in the chest area and then here in the throat area. So if we're able to bring mindfulness to those areas and be able to take a full breath in and empty it out completely, then that can help us if we're having a stressful day, if you need to take a moment, or if you're looking at starting your own meditation practice, then this could be very useful for you. So we'll start off. Let's set you up with a blanket. Okay, grab your blanket or a towel. Okay, we'll open it up. Okay. And then you'll roll it. So set it aside for a moment. Okay. Now make sure you're sitting comfortably on your bolster or a pillow or maybe a stack of pillows. And then once you have that, okay, we'll cross at our legs. You'll grab your rolled up blanket. Okay. And then you'll snug it underneath your knees. Okay, just to get that comfortable feeling because we will be sitting for a few minutes. And then once you get that all set up, okay, maybe you can start off with a few movements. Okay, maybe roll the head to one side, taking your time as you lengthen the breath. And then make sure you go the opposite direction. And then you'll slowly bring the chin back to the chest and then lift your head up. Then you can add doing a few shoulder rolls. And then just let your shoulders slide back and down, getting that nice opening at the chest. And then sitting up tall. And then we'll start with our breathing exercise. So this is called the three-part breath. Okay. So you'll bring your hands onto the belly. And then you'll deeply inhale as if wanting to expand the belly. And then slowly exhale. You can do that a few times. Hands onto the belly again. Breathe in towards the nose. Fill towards the pit of the belly. Once you're full, you'll slowly exhale out. Okay, one more time. Inhale towards the belly. Fill it with air. And then slowly exhale through the nose. And then this time, we'll move our hands towards our rib cage. Okay. So we want, as you inhale towards the belly, you'll slowly start to add the expansion at the ribs. Okay. So we'll try that. As you slowly inhale through the nose, fill the belly. Feel your ribs press against your hands. And then you'll slowly breathe out. Okay. We'll do that 2 more times. You'll slowly inhale. Feel the ribs press it gently against your hands and then slowly breathe out. One more time, inhale and exhale. Okay. This time we'll add the top of the chest. So you'll bring one hand onto the chest. So you breathe in towards the belly, let the ribs expand, and then we'll fill in towards the top of the chest. So as you inhale, fill in the belly. Let the ribs expand, fill towards the top of the chest, and then you'll slowly breathe out. Okay, we'll do that one more time. Fill in towards the belly, towards the rib, fill the chest, and then slowly exhale out. So you can do that a couple of times. And then this time, okay, we'll let the shoulders relax. We'll let your hands be soft on your knees. And then you can choose to keep your eyes focused on one point, or you can choose to close your eyes. Okay. And then we'll slowly again breathe in, fill in the belly. Let the ribs gently expand, fill in the chest. And then slowly exhale out. And then do this as many times as you need to. Slowly inhale You'll slowly exhale. Slowly breathing in again, maybe letting it become more fluid as you fill in the belly, the ribs towards the top of the chest. Once you're full, you'll slowly exhale out, breathing out through the nose. Slowly breathing in again, all the way towards the top. And then slowly breathing out through the nose, softening what you need to soften. Slowly inhale, fill the belly, the ribs all the way towards the chest. And then you'll slowly exhale and just letting go any tension. Breathing in, breathing out. And then maybe trying to add counting to the breath as you inhale. Maybe do it for a count of 4. For 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. And then slowly exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathing in again for 1, 2, 3, 4. And then slowly breathing out for 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when you're ready, slowly come out. You gently open your eyes. Namaste. So I hope you felt refreshed, felt a sense of ease after doing that breathing exercise, and I hope that can help you start your own meditation practice. And I would like to thank you for watching. This is Ever Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.